How would you describe psychology research in the digital age?
Evolving rapidly.
Helps us understand trends.
Virtual engagement.
Constantly growing.
Accessible.
So again, I'll be reaching out with you with the results of my study once it's done. I'd like to thank you again for your time and participation. That's it. I'll be going now.
Sige po. Thank you po. Ingat po kayo.
Thank you.
Oh, hi ate.
Hi. Sino siya?
Ate, si Miss Ara po. Researcher po siya.
Hello po. Papatapos lang din namin. So, balas naman ako.
Sige ate. Hatid ko lang yun ha.
Ingat. Thank you.
Ate! Oh,
Bakit nga pala may researcher dito sa bahay natin?
actually, ate, senior po siya sa college namin. Naghahanap po siya ng participants para sa research niya. So, nag-reach out po ako sa kanya para makatulong. Nagbigay nga po siya ng thank you gift eh.
So, inimbita mo siya dito para sa interview nyo?
Yes, ate. Safe naman po dito.
Alam ba yan nila mama at papa?
Of course! Parang galit ko.
Di naman ako galit. Nagulat lang. Kasi magbibigay ka ng information sa taong di mo kilala. Pinapasok mo pa dito sa bahay. Concern lang naman ako. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung totoong nakakatulong yung research na yan.
One of the reasons why psychology research is important in the Philippines is its capacity to address mental health challenges. The rate of mental health issues like anxiety, depression, stress are slowly increasing. With the help of psychology research, we can use and develop interventions and treatments that are evidence-based and culturally appropriate. And while research informs how professionals develop interventions, it also allows them to connect to people and to let them know that their lived experiences are important too. In the Philippines, there's the concept of bayanihan, or communal unity that creates strong bonds. The field of psychology has grown remarkably throughout the years in the Philippines. Originally, most of the theories and methodologies came from the West. However, Filipino psychologists have increasingly contributed and advocated for the development of an indigenous psychology. In conclusion, psychology research has a really important role in understanding and addressing the complexities of mental, emotional, and social needs of Filipinos. By focusing on and funding psychology research in the Philippines, we can maintain our unique cultural identity while living through a greatly globalized world.
So before I end this presentation, let me ask you one question. How would you describe psychology research in the digital age?